Hey guys, Matt Bahunik here, and in 5 minutes or less, I'm going to show you guys how to soak and buffer your cocoa for hydroponics. Get ready, this is easy, it's going to be a little dirty, but it's going to be fun. Okay, we're going to start with these two 18-gallon containers. We want to drill some holes in the bottom, not too large so the water stays in there for a while so everything gets a good soak, but enough of them so everything eventually drains out completely. This is a fantastic cocoa product we're working with. This compressed cocoa brick has a wide range of texture from large chunks to fine fibers. This gives us great drainage properties, yet you still don't have to water it frequently. Look at the texture seen here and try and find a product that looks like this. Now we will clean our cocoa containers. You will need gloves, a sponge, bleach, or high-strength food-grade hydrogen peroxide. When diluting either your bleach or hydrogen peroxide product, it's important that you use the proper dilution ratio. Also, always wear safety goggles to avoid splashing product into your eyes. Start scrubbing all the corners of your container. Scrub all surfaces evenly and thoroughly to make sure they're completely coated with the oxidizing agent. Flip the bucket upside down and scrub all the sides and the bottom of it to ensure that all surfaces that will be in contact with the soaking solution are sanitized from any bacterial content or fungal content that may have been sitting dormant on the surfaces of your buckets. This is not an ideal solution cleaning on a dirty floor outside like this, so in a perfect world, clean this in your garage, or clean this on a sanitized surface or a plastic cloth. Thoroughly rinse off any remaining oxidizing solution so there's no bleach or hydrogen peroxide sitting left on your buckets. Now assemble your buckets, stacking them together with one of the holes on the inside, and then fill with 15 gallons of water. If you can, use reverse osmosis water here. The point of this step is to expand the brick and oversaturate the brick really. You want to get rid of all those loose particles that you don't need, all those small particles you want to drain out the bottom, and also get rid of some of the tannins and excess salts. I'm talking loose sodium because these are from coconuts that are living by the sea. Now this footage you're seeing is sped up 2500%. So in about 30 to 45 minutes, you're going to have fully saturated cocoa bricks. Now in this demonstration, I want you to see this is not what you want. It's still a little too thick here, so take a minute to agitate it a little bit, break it up, come back in 15 minutes and check on it. Look how all the cocoa is kind of floating on the surface here, and that's what you want to see. You want to see that it's fully saturated and that there's enough room for the sediment to sink to the bottom and then eventually drain out. Here's some close-up footage so you can see what it looks like now that it's expanded, and here's the texture I was talking about. You can see the large chunks and the small chunks and the fibers, and what we want to get rid of is the fine powder that's going to stop this from draining properly. After 50 minutes to an hour, you want to take the two buckets and separate them, and take the one with the holes punched in the bottom and prop it up so all the solution can drain out the bottom, leaving you with just saturated cocoa. Now we're making ourselves 10 gallons of nutrient solution. You want something containing high levels of calcium and magnesium. Now what we're about to do here is called buffering the cocoa, and I could bore you with a lot of science talk, but the point is we need a lot of calcium and magnesium. Using either a CalMag nutrient solution or a nutrient solution formulated just for cocoa products, dose it to the manufacturer's recommendation. Here's the product I'm using today at 5 milliliters per gallon, each of Coco Grow A and Coco Grow B. As mentioned earlier, this nutrient solution contains high levels of calcium and magnesium as seen on the labels here. Check your product for this. Whenever mixing a nutrient solution, be sure to thoroughly stir your nutrients. I should actively be stirring here. Now pour half your nutrient solution all over your cocoa, making sure to thoroughly wet your cocoa. You want it all to come in contact with the new nutrient solution as to buffer out all the salts bonded to the cocoa. A benefit of using a two-part nutrient solution as I have done here is it has a balanced pH. That helps balance the final pH of your cocoa medium. Now take a look, I'm going to show you how I'm trying to get this fully saturated again. We're almost done here, so all you have to do is add the second 5-gallon container of nutrient solution and let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes or however long it takes to fully drain out the bottom. Now you have cocoa that's ready to pot. And it's simply that easy to prepare your Coco Coir. So stay tuned for more great episodes on Green Means Grow. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!